Hey there, friends, and welcome. So, today we're going to be doing a 4-minute breathing exercise that is designed to help strengthen your lungs. So, if you're a yogi, maybe you're just starting out in your practice, this is a great exercise that will help you prepare your breathing for vinyasa flows that you may experience in your practice. So when you're ready, I invite you to come to a comfortable seated or lying down position, palms resting on your knees. Maybe you're doing a mudra, whatever feels comfortable for you. And now that you're ready, let's begin. Take a deep inhale through your nose and exhale through your mouth. Deep inhale through your nose and a longer exhale through your mouth. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Deep inhale, feeling the belly rise, and exhale, feeling it fall. Inhale through your nose and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale through the mouth. Deep inhale through your nose and exhale out through your mouth. Deep inhale, feeling the strength of your lungs, and exhale. Inhale and exhale, continuing to follow this rhythm. Inhale, got about 10 more to go. Exhale. Inhale, going inward here, and exhale. Nice deep inhale, and cleansing exhale through your mouth. Deep inhale, and exhale. Inhale for 19, and we're exhaling, going into our 20th repetition. Inhale, exhale. Just 5 more breaths to go. You guys are doing great. Inhale and exhale. We're almost there, guys. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, don't give up. Exhale through your mouth. Inhale, exhale. Inhale for our last one. And deep exhale out through your mouth. Great job. Now, if your eyes are closed here, feel free to begin to bring some movement back into your body by wiggling your fingers and your toes. And blink your eyes open when you are ready. Great job on your first breathing exercise. Feel free to come back to this exercise every day if you'd like. I'll be doing this for the next couple of weeks. I'm moving into February until we move on to another breathing practice. So thank you so much for joining me today. I can't wait to see you back for another day of nature, yoga, and me, my journey to wellness. Until next time, friends, namaste.